So today I'm going to introduce to you this machine right here. It's a hand press that can aid in leather work. I bought it on Amazon. It was around 60 bucks, and I will put all the links below. But it was advertised as a grommet setter. It actually came with grommets in different sizes as well as the matching dies. But I thought, hey, this thing would probably work with rivets. So I found a rivet die that I'm playing with in my hands on Amazon also. And these die come in 6, 8, and 10 millimeter sizes, and they are for double cap rivets only. So if you have a rivet with a flat bottom, you'll have to improvise a little like I did and add a flat heart object on the bottom. But I'm going to put the die in and show you how this thing works. So to put the die in, you take the top part and screw it into the hole. Easiest way to do this would be to lean over the machine. You put that in first, and then the bottom piece will just sit in. Okay, I'm going to actually rivet a leather strap here. You're gonna push the lever down with a little pressure. If you press too hard, you may see a ring around the leather, or around the rivet on vegetarian leather especially. So you can just, the right amount of pressure will just be learned with a little trial and error. So here's the rivet all set, and the strap is ready to go. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting this machine. It's worth the money, and it's really good, especially if you work with leather, and it's so much better than hand setting rivets. So if you would like more videos and tutorials, don't forget to like this and subscribe. Thanks.